Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. Today I would like us to look at this question. It is under the topic Sequences and Series. Sequences and Series. And specifically it is to do with sequences. So we look at it. An arithmetic progression of 41 terms is such that the sum of the first 5 terms is 560. The sum of the first 5 terms is 560. And the sum of the last, look at that learner, and the sum of the last 5 terms is negative 250. Find A, the first term and the common difference. The first term and the common difference. So learner, how do you go about this? We are told from the first sentence that the sum of the first 5 terms is 560. You have an AP with 41 terms, but the sum of the first 5, and we first deal with this, is 560. So you come and say the sum of the first 5 learner is 560. Learner, how do we get the sum of the first n terms in an AP, in an arithmetic progression? You know the formula, Sn, the sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by n over 2, remember, 2a plus, in brackets, small bracket, n minus 1b. Look at that, learner. Master that formula. Where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the common difference. So we come to our question here, learner. The sum of the first 5 is 560. So you come and say Sn is 560. The sum of the first 5 is 560. Is equals to what? Our n, learner. Our n is 5. So you talk of 5 over 2. The sum of the first 5 is 5 over 2. In brackets, here you write 2a plus what? Your n is 5. We are dealing with 5 terms. Your n is 5. So 5 minus 1, learner, gives you 4b, like that. Okay? From there, learner, cross multiply so that we remove this denominator. Multiplying this by this, it will give you 1120, which is equals to what, learner? 5 into brackets 2a plus 4d. Look at that. From there, learner, we can remove the brackets. No problem. You remove this, you get 10a plus 20d. We have an equation there to do with a and d. Simplify it, learner, because it is possible to divide through with a common factor. Divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, learner. This simplifies to 112 is equals to a plus 2d. Look at that, learner, dividing by 10 to make it simpler. So we have a simpler equation here, which we can write as a plus 2d is equals to 112. Let that be equation 1, learner. There we are. We continue. We are told the sum of the first 5 is 560. We are through that part. And the sum of the last 5 is negative 250. Learner, our arithmetic progression has 41 terms. So we are dealing with 41 terms. Look at that, learner. 41 terms. So which are these terms, learner? We are talking about the sum of the last 5 terms is negative 250. So we have, maybe I can write it here. We have this, learner, 41 terms. So the last one is the 41st term, followed by 40th term, followed by 39th term. Those are 3, 1, 2, 3 from the last. 38th term, 37th term. Those are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the last. we are told that the sum of these is negative 250. So what is the 41st term in terms of A and D? This will be A plus 40D. A plus 40D. Lana. Then what is the 40th term? It will be, maybe we can go adding, the 40th term will be A plus 39D. Remember the formula, A plus N minus 1D. So here it is A plus 40, this 40 here, minus 1D. Then you add, you continue adding. 39 will be A plus 38D plus 38 will be A plus 38 minus 1 gives you 37D plus A plus 36D. All this should give you negative 250. I hope you can see that. Adding all the terms, expressing all the terms in terms of A and D, A and D. So from there, Lana, you bring your A's together. A. How many are there? 5. 5 A's. You bring the D's together. Bringing the D's together, Lana, you'd get about what? You'd get 190. 190 therefore is equals to negative 250. Negative 250. So divide through, Lana, by 5. Dividing through by 5, what would you get? A plus that 8D is equals to negative 50. This is another equation to do with A and D, so call that equation 2. Then Lana, solve these two equations simultaneously. Solve them simultaneously. So by elimination method. So the first one was A plus 2D is equals to 112, and this one is A plus 30. 8D is equals to negative 50. And therefore by elimination, Lana, you eliminate the A's. A minus A is 0, so you have eliminated it. Then you work out this minus this would give you negative 36. D. And this minus this, Lana, would give you what? It will give you 162. 162. And therefore, what is your D, Lana? Divide by negative 36, divide by negative 36, and therefore your D, the common difference. Remember, we are looking for the common difference and the first term. The common difference, therefore, would be negative 4.5. Look at that, negative 4.5. We then get the A. To get the A, Lana, you just go and substitute this one in one of these equations, either the first or the second. Suppose I substitute it in the first, A plus 2 in brackets, negative 4.5 is equals to 112. So this is A minus 9 is equals to 112. So your A, Lana, taking this to this side, it will give you 121. That is your A. We go to part B, Lana. Part B, the last term. Find the last term. Lana, the last term of this is what? The last term is the 41st term. We have 41 terms. So the 41st terms. How do we come up with the formula for the 41st term, Lana? Obviously, we have done it here, but I can repeat. We know that the nth term of an AP is given by A plus N minus 1D. This is the formula that we used to get these terms. So you come here and you say the 40th term, therefore, Lana, the 41st term, write it that way. The 41st term, Lana, therefore will be equal to A plus your N is 41. 41 minus 1 gives you 40. D. And therefore from here, learner, things are easy. The 41st term will be equal to A. Our A, we got it here as 121, fix it there, plus 40, in brackets your D is negative 4.5. If you work out this, learner, you would get negative 59. This is the 41st term, the last term, the 41st term, not terms, the 41st term of the AP. From there, learner, lastly, we are told to find the sum of the arithmetic progression. Find the sum of this arithmetic progression. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression, learner, is equals to n over 2 in brackets 2a plus n minus 1 d, close the bracket, master that. Therefore, what is the sum of this arithmetic progression? Our arithmetic progression, learner, has 41 terms. So the sum of the 41 terms will be equal to what? What is our n? 41. 41 over 2 in brackets 2 times our A was what, learner? Look at the first step. Our A was 121. We just substitute. Our n is 41. 41 minus 40, maybe you can just write it here, 41 minus 1, sorry, 41 minus 1, and your D is what? Negative 4.5. You just substitute accurately. So this would give you 41. This would give you 41 over 2, learner. In brackets, you multiply this, you get 242 plus, this is 40. 40 multiply negative 4.5, learner. Look at that, work out this. So this gives you 41 over 2, 242 plus, you work out these, you get negative. It finally becomes negative. So plus minus negative 180. You move on, you're almost there. 41 over 2. This plus minus this is the same as 242 minus 180. It would give you 62. You work out this, learner, and you end up with what? 1,271. This is the sum of our AP, which has 41 terms. Learner, that is a long problem. It normally carries 10 marks. Go and practice. God bless you.